Today we're with Damien from Irrigist. Damien works with the Dowden's irrigation crew, and he's looking at irrigation variable speed pump drives. So this morning Damien's just going to run through how they work and what they do. So what do you got here in this orange box, Damien?
Sure. Here we have a standard variable speed drive for an electric pump set. The idea of the drive system here is to replace an existing starter or soft starter where you might have variable duties. Want to have a better efficiency electrically, or a better electrical efficiency. So how that works: the farmer sets up his irrigator in the field or his flood, and he simply changes the speed of his pump set to achieve the required pressure. Moves it back and forth. So if the irrigator is at the furthest run, he may need more pressure, or at the closest run, less pressure. So by doing it this way, as opposed to throttling, you have the ability to save energy because there's less work being done than throttling itself. So that would be the standard system. It comes with the features such as pump protection, start, stop, manual control as a standard product. So.
Okay, so from that basic product, you can then ramp up and get bigger. So what's this piece of kit here that we've got sitting on the box? What's it do for you and how does it work?
So this unit here is designed for pivots, soft hoses and hard hoses. In applications where there's static variation, as in elevation-based variation or distance-based static change, this unit here sits on the end of your pivot or on your soft hose or hard hose. It manages the pressure at that point back to the drive. That information is sent to the drive set via radio, and then the drive ramps up and down according to the duty requirement. So as the machine goes up the hill, pump set speeds up. As the irrigator comes down the hill, drive speeds down or slows down. So that just gives you automation from a remote location to enhance or to improve the ability to maintain the duty from this point. You can move along to doing it remotely and looking after itself. So taking the human element out of it, so maximising your efficiency for applications that require that type of product.
Okay. So finally, over here we've got another box on the side and the computer on the top showing us all of the outcomes. So how does this system work? And is this another step up from where we were?
Certainly. So looking at the system there before, this system here allows you to then have all that manual control feature and function that you had before, or all the remote control function, but all from your phone or your computer. So whether that be day by day to maintain it, manage it and monitor for irrigation practices, so you have the best chance of efficiency, or if something shuts down it can tell you, or from a schedule point of view, you might be scheduling when you're irrigating, you might be scheduling when you're flooding. So you have the capacity through the PC version to then forward plan, monitor and measure the results from your irrigation. So not only become efficient, but also have the capacity to know what that efficiency point is and then become more efficient based on that.
Electricity costs are really becoming a big issue with cane growers. So if growers wanted to find out more information about this sort of equipment and the savings that they could make by having it, where would they go?
Any equipment or any inquiries should go through Dowden's. Dowden's are our agent from Townsville to Rockhampton. One of the staff there will be able to help them out there as well.
Okay, so give Dowden's a call and they'll be able to fill them in on how much it's going to cost and what it can do and what would suit their property.
Sure.
Okay, thank you.